Working on the 79 Trans Am in the body shop. We're going to be putting a new quarter and quarter drop on the car. It was in a bad collision a while back. I'm going to come through and grind out all the spot welds, remove the old quarter, remove the old trunk drop. I'll test fit the new stuff. When it does fit, I'll hole punch all the way around to prep for new spot welds. I will weld through prime the back side of everything so that way we can have corrosion protection. And then when they all do fit very well, I'll weld everything back on. Now there's a brace on the inside where they have a seam sealer built up as kind of like a vibration dampener. I will have to come through and redo that with seam sealer and try to copy that. As soon as I'm done welding all the way around, I'll try to delete the top factory seam where the quarter does meet the roof line. There's a big old seam there that normally gets filled with lead. We're not going to do that. We're just going to shave the whole thing with metal and make it nice.
Thanks for coming to our YouTube page. If you like what you see, make sure to subscribe. If you want notifications, click on the bell. If you want to buy some cool merch, click on the info card, or you can click on the link in the bio.